Welcome to our channel. Today we how to recover your credit report with Experian, beginner guide step by step clearly. To recover your credit report with Experian, start by visiting the Experian website. Look for the Get My Free Credit Report option on the home page. Click on that option to proceed to the next page. You may see a button labeled Request Your Report. Click on that button to begin. You will be prompted to enter personal information such as your name, address, social security number, and date of birth. Make sure all information is accurate to avoid delays. After filling in your details, click on the Next button. You may be asked to answer a series of security questions to verify your identity. Take your time to answer these questions carefully. Once verified, you will gain access to your credit report. Review your credit report thoroughly for any discrepancies or errors. If you find errors, note them down for later correction. You can also download or print your report for your records. Make sure to check your report for any accounts you don't recognize. If you see unfamiliar accounts, investigate them further. Once you've reviewed your report, note any negative information that might need addressing. You may want to consider setting up alerts for future changes to your credit report. For corrections, follow the instructions provided by Experian on how to dispute inaccuracies. Keep a record of all correspondence related to any disputes. Finally, monitor your credit regularly to stay updated on your financial health. This process will help you better understand your credit and take control of your financial future. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.